Is what they will say to you. You're doing amazing. You're looking well. You're not actually looking well. You're looking fabulous. You're actually doing everything that you said you were going to do. I always knew that you had it in you. You inspire me. You're in a lane of your own. You're so courageous, so powerful, so beautiful, so strong. And yeah, part of me didn't want to be around you because I felt like I was inadequate. I can't get over what happened. I can't get over how things ended. You've put up these barriers that I've never experienced from you before. You know, in the past we always argue and then we'll make up, but it seems like this time it's permanent. I know I went too far. I know I hurt you. And now the pain of losing you hurts me more. I can feel how it feels. You know, before I was in my ego. You know, I was being selfish. I wasn't thinking about you. I wasn't thinking about the impact that I had on you and your emotions. I always had feelings for you. I always loved you. But I couldn't tell you. Because a part of me felt like there was something more out there for me. When what was right for me was staring me right in my face. I'm so sorry. I've hurt you too much, and I know you've gotten over the pain, the sorrow, the loss. And I know you tried a lot, and I didn't try enough. And it's almost like we're swapping energies now. You know, I'm experiencing all the feelings that you felt, and it's not cool. I want to reach out, but I just feel like it's not the right time, you know. I just feel like I'm going to say something ridiculous. I feel like I'm going to make things worse. I don't know what to say to you because I'm kind of intimidated by you. I feel like we have this connection that I've never experienced before. It's weird because it's like you can read my mind and I can read yours. And when I think about you, you message me and, you know, it's just weird. This whole connection is crazy. I tried to downplay this thing, this situation, whatever you want to call it. I tried to downplay it, but the feelings, they don't go away. They literally don't go away because I feel a lot in a turmoil within me. And there are people that are competing for your attention. And they want you just as bad as I do. I can feel it. I can sense it. I can see it. But I'm not letting you go. I'm not letting you go because I feel like what we share, not a lot of people get to experience this, and I'm not letting this whatever you want to call it, I'm not letting this go because I've invested in too much. I've given too much of my emotions just to have it being taken away from me. I can't let that happen. It's weird because you've never said how you actually felt for me, but sometimes I feel like it's one-sided. Like it's just me that has this all in my head. And if it is one-sided, then I'm still not going to let it go. Yeah, I'm being selfish. I admit it, I'm being selfish. I can't let anyone get you. I can't let anyone access you. I feel the competition. And is it really competition? Is it really competition, or is it connections or a connection that you're destined to go towards that I'm actually infringing upon, I'm getting in the way of. And I think about it all the time. I think about, you know what, let it go, it's not meant to be, let them be happy, you know, let me just focus on myself, but I can't. And I know it's selfish of me, but I just can't let you go. I know we're not meant to be. Part of me feels like we're not meant to be. And this actual connection's making me act extremely toxic. You know, sometimes I think back on how I behaved, but in the moment, I feel like it's the right thing to do, because I just feel like I cannot lose this thing. I can't even name it, because we didn't even give it a title. We didn't even address if it was even a thing. Is it all in my head? I can't be your friend. It's all or nothing. It's all or nothing when it comes to you. I know I should release you, but I can't. Maybe I need to get therapy or something. I don't know, because I feel like it's unhealthy to feel this way. I feel like to release you would mean that I will have to start again. To release you would mean that it was all one-sided, because I don't even see you fighting for this. I feel like I have to release my past in order to be with you, because it's not fair on you. And I'm not saying that I have feelings for my ex, but every time I connect with you, every time I think about you, it makes me think of how I felt when I was with my ex, because I buried emotions, romantic emotions, for anyone. I didn't even let anyone get close. You are the closest I've ever let anyone get to me. I wasn't even thinking about a relationship until I met you. And what we share is just profound. It's so deep. I can't even explain it to anyone. I can't even tell my friends about this, because they're gonna think I'm bugging. They're gonna think I'm crazy, because I literally feel like I can read your thoughts, and I feel like you can read mine. I just have to look at you, and it's like we can read each other's mind. I just think about you, or I might think about your name and then you call me, or it's just weird. I've never experienced this before. And if I tell anyone, they're not going to believe me. They're not going to believe me. And on one hand, I'm kind of scared of this, because it's like, how deep can this actual feeling go? And on another hand, I feel like I kind of like this. This is pretty cool. I've never experienced this before. That's one of the reasons why I like you, because you're different. Like, sometimes I don't even think that you're even from here. It's like you're from another world, another galaxy. Like, the feeling it's weird. It's just, but I'm scared of you as well, because with this level of emotion that you've invoked within me, what are you going to do with it? Because I feel like right now you're taking away my power, because, like I said, I've never felt this way before. And you're not freaked out by it. So it's almost like you've done this before. Like you felt this level of intensity in a connection before. And then I think about what happened with my ex, and I realized that I ended up with the short end of the stick. And I was really heartbroken. And that was a very dreadful experience that I never want to experience again. And at the time, I felt deeply for that person. That person played a huge part in how I act towards you today. And that's why I just throw myself into my money, you know, focusing on my money, focusing on my career, because that's the only thing that I can control. Because I can't control this emotion with you. It's too risky. I can control my finances and my career. But there's something about you that I trust. There's something about you, I don't know, it's unspoken, but I trust you, and I would love to have an opportunity to just get away with you, just me and you. Shut out the world. Have you told your friends about this? I'm too scared to tell my friends about this, but I feel like if I keep it to myself for any longer, I may burst, because sometimes I'm just smiling and just laughing to myself, and sometimes my friends are like, what are you laughing about? And I can't even tell them. I know some of my friends will think that this is pretty cool and I should go for it, but I just feel like right now I should just stay in the energy of just flirting with you, because I don't want to put any pressure on this, because on one hand, I don't want to lose what we got. On another hand, I'm fearful about what it could become. Yeah, we do have chemistry. No doubt we have chemistry. It's undeniable. I feel it. It's like, even if we're standing apart, I can feel you. Like, and I want to express how I feel. If you haven't noticed, I'm not a good, expresser, if that makes any sense to you, because I don't do all of this gooey feeling type of stuff. I show. I feel like you have been through a lot, and I want to make it right in some way. And I know it's not my responsibility, but you don't deserve what you went through. And I feel like I went through a lot of karma trying to intervene in connections that I shouldn't have. Because yes, we're friends, but I can't deny how I feel about you. I feel a lot of intensity for you, and I want to show you that I actually love you, because I do, and I trust you. I've never felt this way before, but I feel like getting close to you will mean that I have to fight off a lot of people, and I'm willing to do it, because like I said, I'm not letting this situation go. But I realize that every time I try and push the situation, I get blocked. Yeah,